Doug the Pug. Doug was a big, fat pug pup. His mum was a tan pug. His fun was to run. He dug a den in the bog of mud. He dug and dug and dug. He dug up a jar of jam. He bit on the jar. "Yum, yum," said Doug. But then he cut his gum on the jar. Doug had fed on the jar, and it had got to his gut. Doug was sad. His mum was mad. Doug's mum went to the hut, and she got a cup of rub. Doug's gum was big and red. She put the rub on his gum. "Bad Doug," she said. "His gum cut, big and red." Doug had a sob and had a hug with his mum. Sit in the hut and put your gum on the rug.